What's up guys, welcome back to Login Helps. Today we will show you how to extend your Windows screen to your mobile device, iOS or Android. First off, let me explain that you can use this mirror feature using another monitor as well, but it is certainly more expensive than using what we already have. This process is a lot more cost effective than investing on another monitor and HDMI cables. Also, this feature is preferable on iPad or a larger screen, but we wanted to show you that it's also possible on your phone. The only problem with using this function on your phone will be the lagging, so just reduce the resolution and you'll be all set. So let's get into it. On your PC, go to spacedesk.net, link in the description. Here, click download now. In the download option below, you can also read the instruction manual. There are two options here, Windows 10 64-bit version and the 32-bit version. Check which version your PC is and click on the same. Since ours is of 64-bit, we are downloading for the same. After download, install the software. When you're done, click on Finish. That's all for the setup on your PC. Now for your mobile device, on your Play Store or App Store, search for SpaceDesk and install it. Now open the app. Make sure that the internet connection of both your PC and mobile device is of the same IP address. The app will show your connections. If not, type in your IP address by clicking on the add icon. You are now connected. Finally, as I mentioned before, you can reduce the resolution if you don't want your device to lag. You can also split your screen using the Windows key plus the P key for a shortcut, and you're ready to go. That's all for this video. Thank you all for joining us at Login Helps. Do subscribe and like the video and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.